So good day guys. If you are new to this channel, you've not subscribed, please click on that subscribe button. Please like this video and also make your comments. I'd love to watch out for it. So let's take a look at the analysis on our meta for this week. So we will start from the higher time frame downward to the 4-hour time frame and how we would place this trade. So first of all, we would want to know the trend for this meta. You can see on the monthly time frame, you clearly can see that this is a bearish move. Meta has been dropping rapidly, right? There's no doubt about that. We are seeing a drop on our meta. You can see lower lows here. We will now take this as a lower highs, right? A new lower lows, then here comes a lower highs, then again a new lower lows. So we see this as a new lower lows. We will now see this as a lower highs, right? A new lower lows and a new lower highs that has played out here, lower lows here, and now we are having a lower highs, right? So this is to tell you that this monthly time frame we're having a lower highs, which is kind of like giving us a bullish move, like we're having like a pullback, which is bullish, right? Now, secondly, we would want to see what our moving average says. So this we are using here is 10-period moving average. Now, those of you that traded this 10-period moving average, you all know that once this price is below this 10-period moving average, it is a sell. We have to look for a way to short. We have to look for a way to sell, right? But once it is above it, we have to buy. So clearly, we can see that this price is below our 10-period moving average. So it is a sell, and we have to look for a way to actually sell this, right? So that should now take us to the weekly time frame. So the full trend again on the weekly time frame, clearly we can see downward movement. Price is bearish. Now let's take a look at this movement that was made here about last week. We saw that this price was made here. We saw a bullish move. Price actually opened and closed bullish. Like I told you on the monthly time frame, we're having a pullback. You can see it here. I told you guys that we're having a pullback which is bullish, right? Right. So we are still on the pullback which is still bullish. So the bullish yet movement is not yet over. So this is one of the reasons why the week that just passed or just finished, we actually opened and closed bullish, right? So Meta actually opened and closed bullish that just passed. Even 2 weeks ago, right, we saw it open and close bullish, which is small. 3 weeks ago, kind of like indecision movements, but price kind of closed bullish, right? A little bit. Even 4 weeks ago, price actually opened bullish. So you will note that this price is actually still bullish, right? So is this bullish move over? Well, I don't think so. I still want to see this price actually get to at least a level, you know, 138. I think a level of 138 on Meta. So we are currently trading at 123. So let's see this Meta get to a level of 138 before we consider going, before we consider dropping on this Meta, right? So this Meta, we would want to still continue to go bullish. Coupled with the fact that this price is now above our 10-period moving average, right? We would want to trade it on the weekly time frame aspect of it because we are looking for the price for this week. So on this week, we can see that this price is above our 10-period moving average. So we should consider this movement a bullish move on this Meta. So we should consider to go bullish this week on this Meta, right? We should consider to go long, buy on our Meta for this week. So I think from here to this our level we are predicting for, that should be giving us about 12 percentage, right? So now it should now take us to the daily time frame. So what can you see on this daily time frame, right? You can see that this is an uptrend move. You would take a look at this as an impulse move, highs. Then we would now consider this as a correction. Now a new ice is forming. Notice that the new ice actually broke this ice. So this new ice, we want to continue to see this new ice. Then after that, a pullback should be made before the final ice will be made to take out this level we are aiming for. So I will watch out for this meta to take these levels, which is around level of 138 for this week. So I'm watching out for a level of 138 for this week for Meta to actually take out. And coupled with the fact that we see this price is being above our moving average. But if eventually this price drops and breaks below this 10-period moving average, then we might want to change the direction of our trade. We might want to consider shorting, but I don't think it will happen. I don't think it will play out. But before we actually consider to short or sell on this, wait for this price to break below this 10-period moving average. As long as it does not break below it, then we would continue to see this movement as a bullish move. So Meta, we have to consider a bullish move. Now let's see what this 4-hour time frame says. Because on the 4-hour time frame, we would want to place this trade on the 4-hour time frame, right? 4-hour time frame is the best time to actually watch out to place this trade for the week. So what does the 4-hour time frame says? So you can see this new movement here. Clearly, this is a bullish move. Assuming we are seeing a lower lows and a lower highs, a movement like this that is going downward, I might advise you to stay out of this trade. You do not consider to place this trade. But clearly, we can see an higher highs and higher lows. So that is to tell you that we should consider to go long on this Meta. So Meta 4 hour time frame, we are also on a bullish move. You can also see that this price is also above our 10 period moving average on the 4 hour time frame. So we should consider to go long for the week on our Meta.